Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkans. Well, I've got an exciting edible apple variety for you to try this year. It's one called the Coronet family apple tree. And we call it the family tree because it's got two different varieties of eating apple on the one tree. So here it is. It's got a variety called James Grieve and Elstar. One is a green and red apple, beautiful flavour. It's unique in that it flowers and fruits in its first year from planting. So if you plant this in your garden now, you'll have fruit this coming summer. Brilliant for the children. Coronet apple trees are unique also because they're short in stature. There's very little pruning to be done with them, very little maintenance. They're ideal for putting into large patio pots and leaving them on your patio. I've planted this one with some strawberries to give me both strawberries and apples this summer, and you can recreate that in your own garden. So the Coronet apple family come in a range of different flavours and varieties. They're easy to grow, they require very little maintenance, and yet they still produce wonderful, great tasting apples right through the summer. So if you're looking for the perfect apple combination in your own garden, let me recommend some strawberries and the Coronet family apple tree to plant in your garden soil, in a patio container on your patio, or anywhere in the garden. Remember, they're very easy to grow. Here at Horkans, we have got a great range of not just Coronet apple trees, but a wide range of flowering and foliage plants ready for planting now. We're open 7 days, Monday to Saturday, 9:30 to 6 p.m. We're here every Sunday from 11 right through until 6 p.m. So drop in and visit our wide range of plants, but treat yourself to one of the Coronet apple trees.